Kwenye episode hii tutatengeneza form ya HTML kwa kutumia Python backend. Okay, so for example user anaingiza details hapo, kisha atakuja kufill information kwenye about. Tusema hii ni CK editor ambapo user anaweza kuweka informations zake just aka format. Okay, kisha akaja kuchoose full name, email, resident. After then ana upload file, then akiki register. Okay, so for example akiki register. Okay, so now hii ni back end data validation imefanya Python. Okay, so atajaza taarifa for example zote, kisha ataklik register. Okay, assume fields zote zimeshajazwa. Okay, so now atapick date. Okay, after picking date now ata fill information about business. Okay, so now ata upload file, by then atakuja click register. Okay, so data zitaenda katika database. Okay, so you're successful registered. Okay, so now close. It's the same ukifanya application. Okay, kwa user ambaye ameshakuwa registered, of course the application ita run error. Okay, now so unaona kuna validation imefanyika na tunaona namna kufanya validation. So hii ni form ya HTML imetumika free open source library inaitwa FORMS. Kwenye Django kuna library inaitwa FORMS. Okay, so hii ni project yetu. Click home, of course hii ni home. Okay, so ni click application. Okay, hii tutatengeneza page ya application now. Okay, now back to home page. So now click application. Okay, so tulikuwa tumeishia hapa kutengeneza form ya HTML. Okay, so ndio katika project kwenye Visual Studio Code. Okay, ndio katika app 1 my project. Okay, so I just right click, then new file, and file name will be forms. Okay, so dot separator, file extension will be py or file extension in Python, then click enter. Okay, so now kwenye position ya kutengeneza forms, right? So now for importation. Okay, so from Django, so from Django, okay, import as well as the forms. Okay, from Django import forms, and from dot and import models. Okay, so now change the class. Since the class, okay, this will be a data form. Okay, so now the picture one argument will be forms. Okay, dot, okay, model form, of course model form, right? And then okay, so after then there's just a class meta, so just write a class. Okay, then choose meta. Okay, this is metadata. Okay, and then model will be so model will be just from models we access the customers. Okay, models equal to, of course, customers. So from dot okay, so sorry, so from dot models, then just import customers. So import customer. Okay, so model equal to customer. Okay, so after that just select fields. So field, okay, so fields equal to, in quotation, so will be all. Okay, all fields. Okay, so now kuja katika views kwa ajili ya kuprocess hii form. Kuja katika views, views. Okay, so views. Okay, so kwenye views na kwenye function inao return application.html. Okay, so this is application.html. so unaenda kwenye function inao return application.html. Sikosana hii hapo. Okay, so from here at the top kwenye application, so at the top na import my class. Okay, so katika form na class inaitwa data form, right? So katika view na import data form. Okay, so from dot then forms, again import there is data form. Okay, so and then from dot import model, from dot import models. Okay, okay, again from Django dot contrib. Okay, import notification messages, because if user successful registered unampa message, so hii itafanya kazi. Okay, so now kwenye application hapa tuna just ku process form. So now if, okay, then request, or choose request. Okay, use dot operator ku access method, okay, equal to or equal to post. Okay, if request dot method equal to post. Okay, so now okay, so now we're creating object of form. So okay, so tunaingia ndani kidogo hapa, so just write form equal to data form. Okay, this data form. Okay, so kwenye bracket. Okay, so we pass the request. Okay, request dot, okay, now choose method post. Okay, or none. Okay, or none. Again, a request files, just request files. Okay, request for the hapo dot, okay, so the files. Okay, so in case form is validated, so just like comment in case form is validated. In case form is validated, so if form dot is underscore is valid, of course is valid hapo, so now select it. Okay, now so saving if condition, now tunaingia ndani ya if. Okay, so now form okay dot access built-in method network save. Okay, after saving message, now we provide a message. So message itakuwa ni success. Okay, so message dot success. Okay, so now we pass a request, cause request. Okay, now pass your message. Okay, so now you have successful, sorry, okay, registered. You successful registered. Okay, so now here we clear the form, okay, so now shika chini. So form, okay, form, okay, equal to data form. So equal to data form, now we clear the form. Okay, okay, so after clearing the form, now we return the page. Ibakia the page ibaki kwa constant. Okay, so now return and then render. Okay, so return render, sorry. Okay, return render. Okay, so now return render, then you request the same, then you request application.html. Okay, .html, application.html. So now we pass the object like namna hii kwa ajili ya kupitisha object ya form. Okay, so we write an object of form. Okay, so form equal to form, just equal to form. Okay, okay, so after if condition we have else. Okay, so just else. Okay, so else we return the same procedure, so just copy it. So the same procedure, just kuja paste, it return. Okay, so again, if form is not submitted, so this the request is post. What if request is not posting? So just write hapa else. Okay, so else, then you just copy it. Okay, then you duplicate. Okay, let's duplicate. Okay, okay, so else, then you just copy it. Okay, then you duplicate. Okay, so duplicate. Okay, so now we pass the object. Okay, so just else. Okay, so else, then you just copy it. Okay, then you duplicate. Okay, so duplicate. Okay, so now we pass the object. Okay, so just else. Okay, so now we pass the object. 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 Okay, okay, and just okay, so of course, so just delete it. Okay, so now we can process form kwenye template. Okay, so nakuja kwenye template, of course nakuja kwenye application.html. okay, this is application.html now. So current server ina run, so nikija katika server, okay, now current server ina run, now nikija katika browser nikirefresh, okay, so this is the application. Now we need to display form hapa katika page. Okay, so nakuja hapa, so now delete it. Okay, so be careful. Cha kwanza kabisa tuna load crispy form, lakini hiyo crispy form just like open source library. So unakuja Google, just come Google, then andika crispy form Django. Okay, then click the first link. Okay, now so open cmd. Okay, and then just expand cmd. Okay, okay, so now just imeshafunguka. Crispy Forms ni open source library kwa ajili ya Django. Okay, so now click installation here. So click installation. Okay, so now copy pip install Django crispy form. Okay, so now paste kwenye command prompt pip install Django crispy forms. Okay, now so click enter to execute. So misha install. Okay, so utasubiri itafanya installation. Okay, after installation, now come to install the apps. Okay, so now paste this app. Okay, so now kwenye install the apps and settings, and access install the apps. So where is install the apps? Okay, install the apps, then paste it. Okay, so now baada tag hii hapa hii. Okay, so kuja ku include crispy forms, of course kuna hapa something. Okay, so just check it. Okay, now copy it. Okay, after then kuja ku paste hapo. Okay, so now template pack will be bootstrap. So we use a bootstrap. So write boot. Okay, bootstrap. Okay, bootstrap, then you choose the bootstrap version 4 because currently not version 4. Okay, kika version nyingine ita run. Okay, so now ukija katika application, okay, ni HTML. So div class equal to container. And before container, now we load crispy forms kwenye application, right? Okay, so now open tag. Okay, so open percentage sign. Okay, so now load of course in crispy. Okay, load crispy underscore forms. Okay, underscore tags. Okay, crispy form tags. Okay, so now div class equal to container. Okay, again so div class equal to row, posing row. Okay, again div class equal to column. Okay, then we choose a column MD. So choose column MD, or for example, so column MD choose 4. Okay, and just paste. Okay, again just copy it. Okay, then duplicate. So 4 will be 8 ili ene 12 kwa sababu hii ni grid system. Inatakuwa ene 12. Okay, okay, so hapa kutakuwa na logo na hapa kutakuwa na form. Okay, form, hapa kutakuwa na logo, hapa kutakuwa na form. So now save changes. Now check output. My project. Okay, sorry, my project, then refresh. Okay, so now application. Okay, so hapa kutakuwa na logo, hapa kutakuwa na form, right? Okay, so now kuja kwenye form hapo. So now hapa tunatengeneza form ya HTML. Okay, so just form. So form. Okay, so now form method, we choose the method equal to post. That's on send post request. Okay, then encryption type. So encryption type, we just write multi-party form data. Okay, so this is important. Then class just equal to margin top equal to 1.5 and margin top. So choose autocomplete off. Was autocomplete equal to, of course, off. Okay, again, no validation, no. Okay, no validation after that. Okay, so now close the form. Just let me close the form. Okay, so now my form ambayo ni hii. Okay, so inside form now tunatengeneza zile input fields za forms. Okay, so from here just opening Ginger like this. Okay, CRF. Okay, just CRF, of course, space CSRF underscore token kwa ajili ya kuisecure form. Okay, hii ni kwa ajili ya kuisecure form. Okay, so now just create a div class equal to row. Okay, so hapa just create div class equal to row. Okay, this is row. Again, inside the row, on the div class equal to column. Okay, then median. Okay, 6. Okay, now just close it. Okay, so now we already form, so we open this bracket. Okay, then we already form, just write form. Okay, tunatumia dot operator, tuna access class ya customer. Of course kwenye models kuna, of course, models, puppy models, models. Okay, so from models, from customer we access the full name. Okay, so models dot full name ni case sensitive. Okay, models dot full name. Okay, so pipe, so I just write a pipe, then is. Okay, then crispy. Okay, then underscore field. Okay, so now save changes. Okay, so check browser, current in a run browser. So come to refresh. Okay, so refresh it. There is syntax error, expected end block. Okay, so okay, sorry. Okay, so now CSRF token, of course, just correct. Okay, save changes. Okay, so now this is the full name. All right. Okay, so full name, the copy the same code. Okay, so duplicate it. So we access kwenye models. So just kwenye models, after full name we have email. Okay, so come to write your email. Okay, so now replace it. Okay, email. Okay, that is the first row, and the second row will be email. After email we have resident and national ID. So just write resident, it's case sensitive. Okay, resident, right, and national ID. Sorry, is national ID. National ID, of course, ID. Okay, so save changes and come to browse the output. Okay, so email, full name, email, and resident, you want to choose resident, national ID. Okay, so again, models. Okay, so state, license. Okay, so I just skip license. So state, date registered. Now skip date registered. So now state and the insurance duration. Okay, so now come to application. Sorry, just then copy it. Copy the div. Okay, So state, okay, and katika models and issuance duration. Okay, so come to application, okay, form.issuance duration, right? So copy the same. Okay, so now we take construction and business type. Okay, so now let's copy it, construction and business type. Okay, so now we write construction, okay, and business type. Okay, so copy the same code. Okay, so now duplicate it again, earthquake and flood. Okay, so just copy earthquake, and let's come to application. Okay, so now paste it, earthquake, and just write flood. Okay, so copy it. Okay, so now duplicate. So come to models, we have a TIN number and about. Okay, so come to TIN number and about. So TIN number. Okay, so now come to application. So TIN number, we just copy it. Okay, so paste it. So TIN number, we write up TIN number. So just come to copy TIN number. Okay, come to application. So replace food to TIN number. So change it to 4 grid system on just 4. Okay, so the last one will be about. So paste it. So remove. Okay, okay, so now this will be about. Okay, so now save changes, come to our project and run to execute. Okay, so now let's choose saver. Current kuna syntax error, so now run saver. Okay, okay, the syntax model integer field unique true. Okay, so line number 65. Okay, line number 65. Okay, 65 kwenye models. Okay, I'm sorry. So nimesahau kuna nini? Kwani comment license and date registered. Okay, so license and date registered. So now save changes. Now come to run saver. Okay, okay, now so run saver. Okay, sorry, save changes after uncommenting. Okay, sorry. TIN number. Okay, so now uncomment, and then uncomment, save changes, come to run saver. Okay, now current na run, so come to application, refresh. Oh, invalid in field. Okay, clips error. So kuna field ambayo name ipo incorrect. I just find it. For example, about. Okay, about is a TIN number, flood, earthquake, and about. Okay, sorry, that's F. Ipo. Okay, so now save changes, come to refresh. Nice. So application ina look like kama unavyoiona. So okay, national ID, then state, and earthquake imeapia mara mbili. Okay, sorry. Earthquake food TIN number, so earthquake. Okay, so then earthquake flood, then hapa itakuwa ni just delete it. Okay, so now let's kwenye models. Okay, so date registered. Okay, so name license. Okay, so come to application, so remove it. Okay, so just paste it. Okay, so now MD12, then save changes, come to refresh. Okay, and also just okay. Okay, so now it look good. Okay. Okay. So about So nikija katika Django, nikija katika customers, okay? So now just try to check one customer. So nikija kuangalia hapa kuna hii editor. So editor itakuwa ya apply pale. Hii hapa. So now tunakuja hapa kwenye application, okay? So just kwenye CSRF token, now copy it and load form media. So form.media, okay? So load media, okay? So now sorry, just copy it. Okay, so paste it. Okay, so now andika form.media. So now come to refresh kwenye template. Okay, now refresh it. Form media and block expected line of 15 form.media. Okay, I'm sorry. So brackets za hivi, okay? So brackets za hivi. Okay, so save changes, come to check saver. Okay, saver current na run. So come to refresh. Okay, okay, look nice. Or media. Okay, so now unaweka logo hapo. So kwenye episode inayofuata tutakuja kuona namna ya kuweka logo hapo, lakini now so to just weka button, okay? So now come to chini hapo, okay? Chini. So now create a div, okay? So div class equal to row. So row, kwenye row hapa just weka okay, okay. Hapa weka just a button, okay? So input type equal to submit, okay? Yeah, sorry. Submit, okay? Then value equal to send data now, okay? And okay, and just put the class equal to, okay? And class not me a class ya bootstrap, class equal to, okay? Just close it, okay? So just btn primer, btn primer, then save it. Okay, now come to refresh. Okay, sending that data now. So width, okay, so width, yes, width equal to 100. Okay, so margin top empty equal to true. So now come to save changes. Okay, now it look good. So when I click send, full name, okay, no validation, of course kuja katika form hapo, okay, no validate. So no validate, sorry, no validate, okay, no validate ili iweze kufanya kazi. Okay, now so refresh it. Okay, so now send now. Okay, so you can see a lot of validations imefanyika. Okay. So now let's put logo katika hii nani lobakia, ili kuweka logo ni image. So access project directory, so my project, okay? So manage.py and then app 1, my app, and then static, okay? Then assets, okay? Then images. Okay, so currently of course ngije kwenye home, okay, tuna remove hii background, okay? So okay, so now delete hizi image, of course this is to me, of course hii na hii, so delete. Okay, so now paste my image, okay? Okay, my image ni hizi hapa. So now tuna access logo yetu, for example logo3.jpg, okay? So unakuja hapa kwenye div class equal to hii hapa, okay? So hapa, okay, so now hapa na just ku display image, okay? So emg source equal to, okay, image source. So now okay, So image itakuwa loaded kwenye static, okay, then space, then quotation, okay. Okay, so image itakuwa loaded kwenye assets, okay, then emg, then logo2.jpg, okay. Okay, so now class, yes, put class, okay, class equal to emg, okay, emg thumbnail, okay. Okay, so image thumbnail. So save changes, come to check input, so application, okay, so path and false. So nikija katika app 1 static, okay, then assets, then after assets kwenye image, then no logo 2, okay, I'm sorry, so choose logo 3, so save changes and come to refresh, okay, nice, okay. Okay, so application yetu ina look nice now. Okay, so hii ni home, so this is the home page. Okay, so application, okay, so ni click send now. Okay, so hii ni validation. Okay, so now after submit the form, una just dialog itakuwa onekana hapo, form ishakuwa submitted, kama you have successfully registered. Okay, so now tutakuja Google, pause Google, for example hapo ndo Google. Okay, so tutakuja Google, tutaandika sweet alert, okay, sweet alert, then choose sweet alert CDN, okay, then click first link, sweet alert library, okay, open source kwa ajili ya material dialog, okay, so sweet alert. Okay, so tunakuja hapa course, okay, so tuna process form hapo, process form, ma user ameshakuwa amefanikiwa ku register, okay, so tunaonyesha ile crispy form. So crispy form inatumika kuonyesha kama data zimekuwa successful. Okay, I'm sorry. So sweet alert. Okay, so now andika sweet alert peke yake, sweet alert, click enter, then sweet alert, okay, of course sweet alert ni hapo. Okay, so nita click link ya sweet alert, link ya kwanza. Okay, so nitakuja kuonyesha message hiyo hapa kwenye after container. So guys, kwenye insurance duration date time feed auto now add equal to false. Okay, so now tuna install library ya install library ya date and time, install library ya date picker. Kuna library date picker, tunafanya installation date picker, kisha tuja kuiadi kwenye setting bootstrap date picker. Okay, so nitakuja kwenye Google, so Google, okay, for example hapo, so hapa nitaandika date picker, picker, okay, now Django, so Django date picker, so date picker Django. Okay, so nita click enter. Okay, so nitakuja kuichukua hii hapa linki, of course Django bootstrap date picker plus, okay, now so nitakuja kucopy nitakuja kucopy library ya date picker, of course okay, so nitakuja kuicopy. Okay, so nita copy library ya pip install Django bootstrap picker. So after copy ndio katika desktop start button nitafungua cmd, nitaipaste, nitaklik okay. Okay, so hapo ita download. After downloading nitakuja kwenye settings. Okay, so nita access settings. Okay, nitakuja katika apps. So hapa nita add bootstrap picker plus. Okay, so now bootstrap picker plus. So nita selecting, nitaishia hapo, let's copy it and paste. Okay, so hapo nimesha add. Okay, nitakuja katika forms. Okay, kwenye forms nitai load. Okay, so nitakuja hapa nitasema from bootstrap picker plus. Of course ni hii hapo. Tutatumia dot palette ku access widgets hii hapo. Then import. Okay, import what picker import picker import. Okay, so unakuja katika fields hapa kwenye fields, then hapa chini, so just tengeneza widget. Okay, widget. So after opening widgets equal to. Okay, so now hapa naandika insurance duration, nakuja katika models. Okay, so just copy it, insurance duration for example hiyo hapo. Okay, nakuja kwenye forms. So insurance duration, okay, inakuwa ndani ya quotation, sorry. So insurance duration, okay, equal to picker input. Of course, so just write picker input. Okay, so inakuwa namna hii. So nikisave changes, nikija katika app yangu, check current na run. Okay, sorry, I just run saver. Okay, no module named bootstrap picker plus. Okay, so come to settings. Okay, so bootstrap picker plus. Okay, I'm sorry. So bootstrap underscore, so picker underscore and plus. Okay, na kwa hiyo. Okay, hapo tupo sawa. So nikija katika forms, the forms. Okay, so now bootstrap. Okay, so now run saver. So saver na run. Okay, so come to our app. Okay, so now refresh. Okay, so after refreshing now tunategemea kuona picker imekuwa applied kwenye, of course you have to load jQuery. Okay, so now kuna library jQuery ili iweze kufanya kazi. Of course hii hapa ishatokea, lakini just load jQuery. Okay, so nitakuja hapa kwenye hapo, nitakuja hapa juu kwenye rs bar, nitaandika jQuery. Okay, jQuery. Okay, so now nita click enter kwa execute. By then nitakuja kubonyeza linki ya kwenda kwenye jQuery library, kwa sababu library jQuery ndio inawezesha kufanya kazi hiyo nani yetu. So nitabonyeza hii jQuery.com. So nitashuka chini, so nita click download. Okay, so ndio click hii hapa, download compressed production. Okay, nita click. Okay, so now nita copy. Okay, library. So nitakuja hapa kwenye application. Okay, so nitakuja huku juu, naweza kawa ni huku juu, of course just kuandika script src equal to hii hapo javascript, then nitakuja nita terminate, right? So nitakuja nita refresh my page. Okay, so na refresh. Okay, so after refreshing now nikiclick state insurance duration. Okay, so now to try to register. Full name for example is Alice. Email, okay, so alice@gmail.com. Okay, and resident, national ID for example, state, then a peak date, then construction, social, business type. social, for example. Okay, now so earthquake now, then choose file. Okay, for example business license, TIN number. Okay, so nakuja hapa kwenye kipengele cha kuweka hizo CK editor, so just paste it kwenye CK editor. Okay, so CK editor me paste. So now send data now. Okay, email address exists, so change email address, Alex12, customer this TIN number. Okay, so for example TIN number. Okay, for example, and then upload our file. Okay, so now upload it. Okay, so now send data. Okay, so data imeenda kwenye database, lakini library yetu haifanyi kazi. Okay, so come to application, library ambapo ni hii for message in message. Okay, so nikija katika admin panel, so just access admin, click admin, so come to customers, Alice, where is Alice? So click next. Okay, so Alice hapa ameshakuwa registered. Okay, so load back. Okay, so guys, div hii of course ni hapa, just delete it, hii div yenye. Okay, now paste hapa. Okay, so for message in message. Okay, so if message. Okay, now so just we run hapa code, so div hii ndo nimepaste hapo. Okay, so just save changes. Nikija kwenye full name, for example Alice, for example Gerard. Okay, so let's put email address. Okay, at gmail.com. Okay, so resident Dodoma, and national ID, for example national ID, then state, insurance duration, for example construction, for example is building. Okay, and business type, for example is social. Okay, earthquake katiki na kwenye foods, and license, now upload the business license, a phone number, for example 112233. Okay, then ya kupaste hiyo ni CK editor, so just na write, then naweza customize hapo, so heading 1. Okay, na change color hapa. Okay, now change, for example color itakuwa hiyo, so change heading 1. Okay, so now ina look good. After then na click send. Okay, you have successfully registered. Okay, so ni click okay, now it's good. Okay, so ni try to send the same data. Okay, so customer with this email address existing, this TIN number. So email address is primary key and this is unique. Ukija katika models. Okay, so kwenye models, so email is primary key, you can see primary key. Okay, and national ID. Okay, is unique. Okay, so TIN number unique equal to true. Okay, kina maana kwamba TIN number is unique. Okay, and email address is primary key. So now Django admin, so ukija kwenye admin panel utaweza ku access hizi data. Okay, so now we need to check our form kuweka katika card, form yuko kwenye card. So nakuja hapa kwenye application. Okay, kwenye application. Okay, so okay, div class row container. So kwenye container just tengeneza div class equal to card. Okay, div class equal to card. Okay, and hapa okay ni card. Okay, then style, okay, equal to just padding equal to 10, for example, pixels. Okay, padding. Then copy it before container was form div and some. Okay, so come to execute. Okay, now it looks okay. So inaonekana fresh sasa hivi. Okay, now so margin top kwenye card, choose margin top. So div class card margin top to 3. Okay, so now save changes, come to refresh. Okay, so now you can see, okay, and look good. So when you click send data, zero validation imefanyika mpaka kujaza na send. Okay, so ni click home, now application, now login, no login, so login for admin. Okay, so now tuna customize admin. Okay, so just come to base. Okay, unapo base, then tunakuja kuadi admin URL. So kwenye base, okay, kwenye base, okay, so in application kwenye home, then kwenye base, kwa tunatafuta zile of course ni. So kwenye admin hapa tunabadilisha URL, tunaandika admin index. So hapa unaandika admin then index. Okay, inakuwa hiyo. So hapa naandika admin login. So later tutakuwa na customer login. Okay, just choose the customer login. Okay, so customer login URL itakuwa ni login. Okay, save changes. So now change to admin to customer. Okay, so now save changes, come to execute. Okay, so we have admin customer. So ni click home, application, right, admin. Okay, nimekuja kwenye admin. So just nikilog out. Okay, so nimelog out, login again. Okay, nikirudi back. Okay, so hii ni back. So nikija kwenye application, back kwenye application, admin login. Okay, so admin ata login. Okay, hapa kiingiza details ame login. Okay,